And here we are, Voice of Apprenticeship Conference.
Yeah, it went well.
Went very well. How was that? I mean, it was quite daunting for you, perhaps, to stand up and command an audience.
Yeah, very nerve-wracking at the start because having come through the double doors at the entrance and then seeing, this place, it was a bit like a courtroom. But I think it went really well. Got some really good responses. I quite enjoyed having to sort of roam around with the microphones. It made it a bit more exciting for me, and I think it kind of brought the sort of debate to the audience.
You really drew people out, didn't you? Because there's a lot of passionate debate out there. I mean, sometimes at these events, you can hear a pin drop, but people really were, they're putting their hands up, they wanted to contribute.
Yeah.
All credit to you.
Thank you. I think the thing that I was most nervous about was any awkward silences, but there wasn't any because there was people fighting for the microphone half the time.
Yeah.
So that's
2.5 hours, I think it was.
Yeah,
roughly,
it flew by.
Extraordinary. Now, how important is it that the IAC actually acts as the voice of apprentices and apprenticeships across the country?
I think it's very important because, as you've seen from today, we're sort of like the role models. We're leading the way, paving the way for councils and an apprenticeship body. And the amount of responses that we've got at the end, people coming up saying, "Oh, how do I join the IAC?" and "How did you guys get on the council? And what can we do to get on the council?" So I think the responses sort of prove that in itself.
So you see a bright future for the organisation?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, and that's the reason that, having even completed my apprenticeship, I'm still part of the IAC Council. And from what I heard today, a lot of the other guys are planning to do the same thing.
Could you give us an idea of what your apprenticeship meant to you? What's it given you?
My apprenticeship has meant so much to me. Not only has it been thoroughly enjoyable for the last 3 years, it's flown by, it's meant that I can buy myself nice things, and it's meant that I've sort of given myself a bright future to look forward to now, and I've started a career which I can't wait to progress.
And would you say the IAC is the natural home, the natural place for apprentices to gravitate to?
Yeah, for apprentices in the industry in which we are, so engineering and manufacture, without a doubt.
Why is that? Why is that, Andy?
Just because we've got some big names on the council, so we've got people like BAE Systems, Rolls-Royce, Airbus, Vauxhall, Ford, and these companies, these names wouldn't want to be part of the council if it wasn't going to go anywhere.